Okay, so we're cleaning up some potatoes here, and we got these scrub brushes that they sent to us from so that we could show them to you. And the one that you have in your hand, it says Veg on it because it was a 2-pack, and that one has the black bristles on it, which doesn't matter. But we also got a second one that I actually stole to use as a dish brush. Right over there, we saw I put it over there because I'm using it as a dish brush because it's got much nicer, stiffer bristles than my previous dish brush. So anyway, so it came in a 2-pack, and they're really a nice size.
I like the way it feels, and it cleans up the potatoes really well.
Yeah.
Gets all the dirt off, and so you can eat the skins.
Yeah, we like to eat the skins on the potatoes and stuff. So yeah, we like having a good vegetable brush, and so this one's really, really nice, really handy. And like I said, I stole one of them to be a dish brush, but
feels
that's
good
okay.
in my hand.
It has a nice weight.
It does.
A nice feel to it as far as the weight and the solidness, and the bristles are nice, and they're stiff enough. They're not overly stiff, but they're stiff enough that, like I said, I had to steal one. But we wrote Veg on the back of the one in your hand so that you could know that that one was the Veg brush, and then the other one I have for the dish brush. So, thanks for sending that.